Google Nest Learning Thermostat Review, AI-powered efficiency. As seasons change, homeowners aim to reduce energy costs with smart thermostats featuring geofencing and automatic scheduling. AI, now emerging in these devices, is still developing. Google's 4th-gen Nest Learning Thermostat and Nest Learning Sensor with AI promises improved efficiency and comfort over time. The Google Nest Learning Thermostat enhances home comfort with energy-saving intelligence, a sleek design, and the Nest temperature sensor. Available in polished silver, obsidian, and gold, it combines sophisticated design with robust functionality for modern homes. Google's Gemini AI and the Nest Learning Thermostat automates temperature schedules by learning your patterns, optimizing comfort and energy savings. Smart Schedule tracks preferences and anticipates adjustments based on motion, like early homecomings. The Google Home app easily adjusts these energy-efficient schedules. The Nest Learning Thermostat optimizes energy use with adaptive eco, seasonal savings, and weather-based adjustments. Smart Ventilation improves air quality and humidity, while Nest Renew supports clean energy for a lower carbon footprint.
Go to GearBrain for more information.